Alright, people, this is Mr. O. Now, this is my first time of stepping on the hoverboard. I've seen people do it with so much ease and it seems so simple. But for the first time when I stepped on it in a friend's house, I couldn't believe myself how difficult this was. I was grabbing the chairs, I was holding the kitchen tables, everything I could lay my hands on. I was falling off all the time. I couldn't believe myself that this wasn't a simple thing. And they all keep telling me, balance yourself, just balance yourself. I was like, how do I do this? Wow, it wasn't simple. And I just couldn't afford to fall off that thing. At a point, it was going backwards. But look at the kids. They were breezing their way through. They were spinning on that thing. And I was like, wow. And this was the first time my daughter stepped on the hoverboard. Can you believe that? She was just having fun. And oh, it looked amazing for the kids. Well, that is how it ended.